Hi everyone, this is Kevamshi from ECD section and roll number is IM7. So today we are going to discuss about the response to the scale up or scale out for graph processing. So in related to the data structures topic. So coming to the introduction, should we simplify through beefier individual multi-core and large memory machines at graph processing tasks and focus on developing more efficient multi-threaded algorithms or investments in distributed graph processing frameworks and accompanying algorithms worthwhile. For theoretical convenience, I adopt customary definition referring to the former as scale up and latter as scale out. So whether we should scale up or out scale out for graph processing is a consequential question from two perspectives. For big data practitioners, it would be desirable to develop a set of best practices that provide guidance to organizations building and deploying graph processing capabilities for big data researchers. These practices translate into priorities of for the future work and provide a roadmap prior, prioritizing real world pain points. So it is a here you can see the project at Twitter, which is known as WTF at Twitter. So Twitter has always been an advocate of scale-up approaches, starting with its first graph-based user recommendation project called Who to Follow, which is known as WTP. It is held by Gupta ETL, present a more technical version of this story. And this project WTP began in the spring of 2010 as an effort to plug a gap in Twitter product offering. At the time, Facebook and LinkedIn already had mature user recommendation service, but Twitter had no feature to suggest accounts users might be interested in following. The short time to market was an important goal from the perspective. WTP is a great success for the Twitter. So, and the architectural decision to hold the entire graph in memory and single server implemented in an open source graph processing engine called as Cassowary, where you can get the information about this project in this following link. And this design very much went against and the grain of conventional wisdom, which held horizontally scalable distributed system as a gold standard and imitation as a flattery. In March 2017, 7 years from the original WTP project held at Twitter, Pinterest published the following blog post about Pixel, their graph-based recommendation system. Big data processing will become easier over time as scale up as solution become more practical. Perhaps the future indeed unfolding this way. So, on the basis of WTF project or at a Twitter, Pinterest published an article related to this subject. So this is the blog where it denotes this graph captures a huge amount of rich data from other users, and this is quite large with more than 100 billion edges and several billion nodes. Thankfully, RAM node today is too incredibly cheap and big data like this is small enough to fit and readily available AWS machines, where AWS is Amazon Web Service, and before terabyte scale RAM machines were available, complex distributed systems like Hadoop or Spark were needed to compute algorithms for data of this scale. Fortunately, in a way, big data is actually getting smaller. Now we can load the entire graph into a single machine and traverse all of it without making any network calls. This makes real-time algorithm on densely connected graph much easier to develop and deploy at scale and allows us to make recommendation in real time the moment a pinner opens our app. So if the imitation is the sincere form of flattery. The WTP project and Cassava engineers are definitely flattered. Once again, scale up graph processing should be the first thing to try. And survey says that what do users want from graph processing software. So they want what types of graph data you users have, what computations do users run on their graph, what software do users to use perform their computations, what are the major challenges users face when processing their graph data. And the survey targeted researchers both in industry and academics as well as users from wide range of graph processing system broadly defined graph database. Exactly. Example OrientDB and Neo4j, RDF engines like example Virtuoso, and distributed graph processing frameworks like Giraffe and Graphics, and where language like Gremlin, and graph libraries and visualization tools and more. In total, 89 users respond for the survey. But what cost this graph processing will done? And Mr. MC Shirley attempted to answer this question by introducing a new metric called cost, or the configuration that outperforms a single thread. In other words, how much hardware do you have to throw at scale out distributed solution to achieve performance priority? With a competent MC Shirley attempted to answer this question by introducing a new metric called cost, or the configuration the outcome a single thread. In other words, how much hardware do you have to throw at a scale out distributed solution to achieve performance parity with competent single threaded implementation? To answer this question, the researchers examined two graphs that are commonly used in many evolutions of graph processing frameworks, one with 1.5 billion edges and other with 3.7 billion edges, and considered two sample task, PageRank and label propagation. MC Sherry reported some surprising results. One key finding was that none of the evaluated distributed graph processing frameworks running on 128 crores cores consistently beats a single-threaded implemented running on a commonly laptop. So, finally, conclusion: deploying an ill-conceived distributed scale-out graph processing system is dangerous. Firstly, Mr. Shelley showed 11 organizations need to throw a lot of resources at digging themselves out of the hole that those very systems created in the first place. At the end of the day, significant resources have been sunk anticipating growth at many never actually materialized. There are, of course, organizations, for example, Facebook and Google, that genuinely need scale of crop processing, but isn't the common case by Meta should start with scale up solution for graph processing. So this is the topic related to the